Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we will compare two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the HiCOZY ice maker. Both models are designed to provide you with quick and efficient ice production, but they come with their own unique features. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to portability, the AGLUCKY ice maker does not come with a handle, making it less convenient to move around. In contrast, the HiCOZY model features a built-in handle, allowing for easy transport from one location to another. This makes the HiCOZY a better choice for those who plan to use their ice maker in different settings, such as parties or camping trips. In terms of aesthetics, the AGLUCKY ice maker features a sleek black finish, which may appeal to those looking for a modern look in their kitchen. On the other hand, the HiCOZY ice maker comes in a clean white finish, offering a different style that might blend well with lighter kitchen decor. Your choice here will depend on your personal taste and kitchen design. Finally, let's talk about size. The AGLUCKY ice maker has larger dimensions, which might require more counter space. In contrast, the HiCOZY model is more compact, making it easier to fit in smaller kitchens or on crowded countertops. If space is a concern for you, the HiCOZY could be the more practical option. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and HiCOZY ice makers offer impressive features and performance at a similar price point. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs, whether it's portability, color preference, or space considerations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.